In the given questions, out of four alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given sentence. Extreme old age when a man behave like a fool. A. Imbecility. B. Senility. C. Dotage. D. Superannuation. Answer option C. Dotage. That which cannot be corrected. A. Unintelligible. B. Indelible. C. Illegible. D. Incorrigible. Answer option D. Incorrigible. The study of ancient societies. A. Anthropology. B. Archaeology. C. History. D. Ethnology. Answer option B. Archaeology. A person of good understanding knowledge and reasoning power. A. Expert. B. Intellectual. C. Snob. D. Literate. Answer option B. Intellectual. A person who insists on something. A. Disciplinarian. B. Stickler. C. Instantaneous. D. Boaster. Answer option B. Stickler. State in which the few govern the many. A. Monarchy. B. Oligarchy. C. Plutocracy. D. Autocracy. Answer option B. Oligarchy. A style in which a writer makes a display of his knowledge. A. Pedantic. B. Verbose. C. Pompous. D. Ornate. Answer option A. Pedantic. List of the business or subjects to be considered at a meeting. A. Schedule. B. Timetable. C. Agenda. D. Plan. Answer option C. Agenda. Leave or remove from a place considered dangerous. A. Evade. B. Evacuate. C. Avoid. D. Exterminate. Answer option B. Evacuate. A person pretending to be somebody he is not. A. Magician. B. Rogue. C. Liar. D. Impostor. Answer option D. Impostor. A person who knows many foreign languages. A. Linguist. B. Grammarian. C. Polyglot. D. Bilingual. Answer option A. Linguist. One who has little faith in human sincerity and goodness. A. Egoist. B. Fatalist. C. Stoic. D. Cynic. Answer option D. Cynic. One who possesses many talents. A. Versatile. B. Nubile. C. Exceptional. D. Gifted. Answer option A. Versatile. Words inscribed on tomb. A. Epitome. B. Epistyle. C. Epilogue. D. Epitaph. Answer option D. Epitaph. One who eats everything. A. Omnivorous. B. Omniscient. C. Irresistible. D. Insolvent. Answer option A. Omnivorous. The custom or practice of having more than one husband at same time. A. Polygyny. B. Polyphony. C. Polyandry. D. Polychromy. Answer option C. Polyandry. Tending to move away from the center or axis. A. Centrifugal. B. Centripetal. C. Axiomatic. D. Airy. Answer option A. Centrifugal. A person interested in collecting, studying, and selling of old things. A. Antiquarian. B. Junk dealer. C. Crank. D. Archaeologist. Answer option A. Antiquarian. A. Drawing on transparent paper. A. Red print. B. Blueprint. C. Negative. D. Transparency. Answer option D. Transparency. One who is not easily pleased by anything. A. Maiden. B. Medieval. C. Precarious. D. Fastidious. Answer option D. Fastidious. A remedy for all diseases. A. Stoic. B. Marble. C. Panacea. D. Recompense. Answer option C. Panacea. One who is fond of fighting. A. Bellicose. B. Aggressive. C. belligerent, D. Militant. Answer option A. Bellicose. A small shop that sells fashionable clothes, cosmetics, etc. A. Store. B. Stall. C. Boutique. D. Booth. Answer option C. Boutique. That which cannot be read. A. Negligible. B. Illegible. C. Ineligible. D. Incorrigible. Answer option B. Illegible. In a state of tension or anxiety or suspense. A. Off balance. B. Depressed. C. Diffused. D. On tenterhooks. Answer option D. On tenterhooks.